Peeps, you know, so the studio kind of like testing stage and the equipment, them still go through them paces and things still. I've been having challenges with my audio when I'm using the main camera. I have a semi-professional microphone, that's the one I'm using now. When I use this one, the audio is kind of choppy. Then I have a professional grade one, got that one yesterday. But when I use that one, the volume fluctuates, spikes and lowers, and then you hear a lot of ambient sounds. I've been trying to adjust that, but no luck so far. So just bear with me for the time being. Me I work on it. Zane, you know what exclusive say? The scammer them there and Peeps. Many of us Jamaicans get scammed regularly, more than we would want to admit. I will share with you a personal experience that I had in 2012. Wow, that was a rough year. Seeing the church scam me, the government scam me, everybody scam me. You understand what I say? But I not lay myself so careless again for them things they happen. You see me, I have to come good. You see me, I say? So I had a bad experience in 2012. I go share it when I forward. My Zoom circle. So I am from St. Ann, right? Came to Teachers College in Kingston. Got a job here, and I decided to rent an apartment with one of my school friends, Zane. Eventually, you know, people grew and things happen and people change, and the roommate decided that he was moving out. So, I mean, if we were splitting the rent half and half, because it was a 2-bedroom apartment and stuff, you see me? And one cut, you can expect, say, who is left will have to double up, you understand? And then, as fate would have it, I wasn't working at that point in time anymore. So, I had to move. Now, I was actively searching for somewhere to move. So I was perusing the newspapers daily. You understand? Went to view a few places. Either I never liked the apartment or I never liked the area. See? So lo and behold, one Saturday, see, I stumbled across something in a number in the newspaper, and I called it. You understand? And when I spoke to the brother, sound very intelligent and professional. You understand? Say the apartments that I have available will be published the following day, which is a Sunday, in the paper. But we can work out a thing where I can view them before they meet the paper. And I say, what? It's like a God send me some money, I come, I have to seize the opportunity. The brother tell me, I have to pay $5,000. See, it might not seem like a whole lot of other people, but you're going to see why it was a challenge. So I pay $5,000, even if I don't like none of the houses that I view the Sunday, I can always go view other, because the $5,000 they cover all of the houses that I'm responsible for. Then within no time in general reach my ends and collect the money, and in general I make me know say, yo, go on. You know, we have moving truck, and like how we have the business already, I can get the moving truck on a deal. And I say, what? Everything nice. So I'm supposed to go look on the apartment the Sunday morning. You understand? Couple hours run off, you know, it's at the evening, and I call the nigga, I can't get through to the nigga. I remember, you know, Peeps, I want to move in, it's a desperation, is a hell of a thing in life, you know, you make we end up in some situation, so we never intend or envision. See? I call the nigga phone, nah, I get him. I think him, they call me off the next one, I call him, nah, I get it neither. So I say, oh, really, I go on. You understand? 9 come down, you know, because I have to confirm when I go view the house and them sitting there early Sunday morning because of movements me depend. Nah, I get it, brother. Sunday morning, nah, I get it, brother. Sunday night, nah, I get it, brother. Nah, I get it, brother. So I start to get cross, Peeps. You understand? Then, you know, I call the number in about 3 o'clock Sunday evening, and as somebody answer, I start blaze them, man. You understand? Me never know say is a police officer me I talk to. You understand me? I say so him get everything. Saying them ask what the situation is and tell me if I come by the Arthur police station because the owner for the phone them have him in custody. And me I say, hey, boom suck. I never live far from Arthur at the time. Jump on a taxi, boom suck to Arthur. I was never there drive at the time. You see me? So now I go. And at the umbrella I see about 30 other people. have the same complaints that me have. So it's like a dog just go around and I scam some people. You understand? I never get my money that evening there still, but I get a couple slap out time in a station. You see me I say because I did cross peeps. You understand what I say? As me I tell them, say, I did stop work in December. And that was about in January, February, March. About April and May, there about, you see me? So I have to move from that spot there, go somewhere else. So you know, say, money kind of thin. And the dog just scam my money. You see me, then the thing went to court and I couldn't bother with foolishness. And I did 5 grand peeps. So, you know, in life you give and take. Sometimes you have to pay to learn some lessons. You see me, I say, but life is a funny little thing, you know. And you see that same brother there, him could end up pay for that with him life. You know, talk to him about it when I forward again. Soon circle.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, movements go on and thing. 2012 run off and eventually I started working again. And you see me I say? Then my new place of work now, one morning me I go work and when I reach the school, I see a Umbria sell some juice. Some like some blend up thing with them bottle and package with oats and them something there, you see me? And me I said, brother, now this a youth there. Take my money. See? And my blood start boiling immediately because peeps. I'm telling you this, there's a certain game I don't play. See? And me I say, alright. I'm not going to deal with it yet. Me I watch him. Couple morning pass off, 1 week, 2 weeks, you see me? If now remember say me, you know, till the dog all start to sell me juice, you know. Every morning he say something to me, I not answer him. You see, till one morning, you know, me I say, alright, look at me a page a boy, you know. Say he want to sell me a juice and I go over there. See, I say, I'm not coming here for buying a juice, you know, I just come here to tell you something. I say, one thing make you get to another day here. Because I say I try do the thing on a level now and I earn an honest living. I give him the address, I give him the ear, and I give him the time when him take my money. And I say, look here now, you come right here, sir. And I right here, sir. Mother couldn't come pick up your body, you know. See, suppose I did that next month, I have to stop do them things there. You understand me? I say, because I tell him, you know, I say, you know much man, I pass out this and decide to go step to you. But at the end of the day, you see, you learn your lesson certain way. And I say, you ain't even worth it. See, and I want him, I say, you are going, man. I got that on your side, you know. I never want to do him nothing less than neither because I'm a place I work him there. But I say, I'm straighten out to myself and be careful what I do. Because sometimes you're watching news on people and you hear some man was found XYZ dead and them something there and you wonder what I go on. Sometimes I ramp with the wrong people. You understand me I say? So it was an experience and from that was 2012, I make a decision in my head. Say, yo, I don't see the next boy will scam me them way there. You understand me I say? So it wasn't an expensive lesson, but it was a situation where at that point in time money wasn't free flowing as it is in other times. So you know, we did kind of feel it at the time and it did hurt me. See, I didn't want to do that youth some things, you understand, but maturity and good sense prevail. But I tell a boy, try that again. You see me, because right now, I don't have foolishness with no boy. I'm going to look work, legal work. See, so the umbrella there try to do him thing now on a legal level and I appreciate him, I respect that and that save him. So I say, so I want the youth them be careful on the ramp with because you might feel like you get to it today. But 5 years down the road and run up in a man and a man no member. A man member want to put them through and a man not think twice but for put it on pound. You see what I say? So that was my experience at peeps. I know some of peeps, some of the people that we are watching are going to have similar experiences or stories really scamming with them can share. You understand what I say? I could chat about it in the comment section down below. What would you have done? You understand? And you know, people are going to say, teach, you shouldn't burn him, you shouldn't wire him, you see me I say, but I just life. You see me? He might try to fix him thing, I hope him stay upon that part. See, and the youth them are out there, I scam people things and stop people with donor things.
Remember to like, share,
subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.